Hey, where's the scene? So we're gonna take a look at some of the updates for the TradeWise indicator. Let me jump into it. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and we're going to take a look at some of the updates I made to the TradeWise indicator. So if you remember, this indicator is an ongoing project where I would try to add features to one tool that you guys can have access to use while trading in the markets. Don't forget, if you want to start trading with Darwinex in order to build a track record to attract investor capital, you could use the first link in the description or head on over to the Darwinex website. And for the coupon, you could put in TWJ10 and you will get the sign up fee from being 95 euros to 10 euros. So yeah, link in the description for that. So if we take a look at the screen right now, you can see we still have the color change from the original version, where this is determined by a moving average to determine whether the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend. Now, at the side, you can see we have a panel now, and the panel shows some information about the trading account. So it would give you the account holder, which would be you, the account balance, the equity, the margin, the free margin, and the leverage of the account. It will also display market info like the symbol that the indicator is on, the time frame, as well as the spread in pips. And to the bottom, if you have ongoing trades, it would show the number of open trades and your floating P&L as a percentage. So if we just shift the time frame, we'll see if the background will change to signify whether the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend on that specific time frame. And you would see the change reflected here. So if we change our 5-minute chart, here changes to 5, we're still in an uptrend. And on the 1-hour chart we are in a downtrend. You can see we're on the 60-minute chart right now. Now you will notice that we have this green box around the HUD itself. From the original version, there was just a bar, and the bar would change color depending on if the spread is too high to trade. So what I did, if we go in and we change the spread value, you can see right now it's 2. So let's change it to let's say 1, right? So now the border would be red, and as the spread drops, it changes to green. So this is dynamic depending on the market condition, and this is just a really cool way to know if the market is being a bit too volatile and the spread is increasing with, outside of the range that you would like to trade in. I also added some more features for the display, so you have full control over the colors of the background for the long and short chart. You have control over the foreground color, so the display for the prices as well as the date and time to the bottom, and it also affects the info inside the panel itself. We still have the low and high spreads being in the lime and the red, which would affect the border, and then you have the HUD color, which will affect the HUD itself. So yeah, this is just the updates for now. I have some more features that I want to add that I'm thinking about that would actually do risk management on the account. But in order to get access to that, stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you know when I drop that video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.